How to use WhatsApp Business, how you can create your own business using WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be giving you a tutorial on how to use WhatsApp Business, how to get started, and what are the different features and tools you will be getting with your business WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you can go to business.whatsapp.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now we know that we can create a business account on WhatsApp. It's really easy to do when you're using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a chatting application that allows us to chat with our friends and family. It has a good feature. We can add status. It's a really good platform and very efficient platform by Meta. And WhatsApp allows us to actually run a business. You can just enter your number and create a business account on your WhatsApp application. But if you want to get a more in depth of it, then you will simply get to the platform right here on your computer. And that's what I will be showing you today, that what you can actually do with WhatsApp. So you can see right here, WhatsApp Business products support businesses from large to small. See which product best fits you. So there are two type of WhatsApp businesses platform. The first one is called WhatsApp Business Platform for medium to large businesses communicating with customers at scale through programmatic access. So this is going to be for the business which is pretty large, and if you have your own apps. So you can use WhatsApp as your communication partner. And then we have WhatsApp Business app, which is for small businesses, and this is what we do when we have our normal WhatsApp and we can switch to a business account. So let's check this one out first, and then I will give you an overview about this one. So for this one, you will actually have to download the application, the WhatsApp application, which is available on App Store and Google Play as well. So you can just go to the WhatsApp and just download the application from these two given links, or you can just go to your Google Play or Play App Store on your mobile phone. It will allow you to simply communicate with your customers, get orders. You will be able to sell your products if you have a store on Instagram, Facebook, or you can simply create a physical business and then run it on WhatsApp. So this is how you would do it if you have a small business and it's not that large and you're doing 10 to 50 orders a week. But if you have a large business and if you have applications that you have to run and communicate on a bigger level, then you will have to go to WhatsApp Business Platform. Click on Get Started. You can see integrate with your existing each stack, reach customer almost anywhere, convert through conversions. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to scroll down now on the website and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, then it will take you Meta for developers. Now this is for the business people and it will allow us to for developing, and if you have like a big business and organization, you can build your app through WhatsApp Business. It is provided by Meta for developers because we know that WhatsApp is owned by Meta. So you can see right here, to send and receive a first message using a test number, complete the following steps. Now here, we will be actually creating an automatic system for our business, and we can actually get a test number to actually send and receive a message to see if it will work. Then you have to set up developer assets and platform access. Here I can actually go to and register as a Meta developer, or I can go to my apps that I already have. So I have actually created an app before on Facebook for Facebook business, because if you need a business account on Facebook as well, you need to register it right here. And for this, you will actually, if you have a large business and you want to run it on WhatsApp, you will actually have to verify it, and it should be a registered business. Otherwise, the simple business that we do, like it's a small business and you are just using it on your WhatsApp application, then you can just you don't need to register it. But if you're going on a larger level, then you will actually have to verify it, and you have to create right here on your Meta developers, and you will have to register it. So I'm going to click on Create App. So from here, we're going to select this one right here, business. Then we have our own display name, business account. So you will have to select your business account, which is going to be your WhatsApp or the one that you have on Facebook. Now this is for the application, and you can create an app. So this is like for more complicated people, then this is for developers. But you will simply create an account right here. So I'm not going to do that for now because we're focusing on WhatsApp business. So you can just go to your products right here, and you can get the feature for your business platform and features for your business app. We also have a pricing plan when it comes to your business platform on WhatsApp. Otherwise, WhatsApp is completely free and you don't need to actually pay anything. But if you are creating a, large business on WhatsApp, then there is a pricing plan and you can contact sales for your pricing that fits your need. So there is a custom pricing plan on WhatsApp available. It depends on your sales and your company. You will have to enter all of the information right here and send an application to them, and they will give you your pricing plan. With that, you will be able to get more and more features and advanced feature of WhatsApp. We have pay as you grow. The first 10,000 conversion each month are going to be free, so you can see right here. Then we have built for customer conversations, and there is a 24-hour 7 support available for customer conversations. And if we talk about the ads, you can also run ads on WhatsApp as well and create ads. And these ads will be from our Facebook ads and Instagram, because we know that these are actually provided by Meta. We can add buttons and add a WhatsApp number on our Facebook page directly to actually get clients and get more customers. So how to do that? You can just simply open up your Facebook, or you can open up your Meta Business Suite. So you can see right here, these are my different pages, and this is the same business that I have on WhatsApp. So what I can do is I can actually go to my pages and add a button on my page of my WhatsApp business, and that will actually help me get more customers, and it will be in direct contact with my Facebook page. Second, what we can do is, if you're thinking how will you manage your business, your WhatsApp business, well, it's really easy. You will be doing it from Meta Business Suite, because we can manage our Instagram business with our Meta Suite, our Facebook business, and our WhatsApp business as well. So I can create ads, and in my inbox, I will be able to get messages that I get on WhatsApp. I will be able to access them on my Meta Business Suite as well, if I connect my WhatsApp to my Meta, because it's the same thing, and I will be able to manage it within my Meta Suite. So once you have your account right here, again, creating an account is really easy. You can just get your number with an app and enter your number and get your account, your business account, and that's it. And then you can manage it with your Meta business from here, and you can schedule your post and schedule messages right here from your Meta Business Suite. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use WhatsApp Business. It will allow you to run a successful business online, and you can manage it very easily with your Meta Business Suite. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.